Welcome, this is my Kampfe Brothers Star Lather Catcher reveal. Received this in the mail just 2 days ago. Shaved with it twice. Very nice shaver. The razor itself came with this handle, original handle. A little goofy here on the end, I don't like that. So what I did is I'm taking off the handle and I'm replacing it with the handle that I made. There it is, the star. Now it opens up for cleaning. On the back it says Kampfe Brothers, New York, USA. Has the patent number here. On this side it says highest award, Paris, 1900. Over here it says highest award, Pan American, 1901. Under the patents it says England, France, Italy, Germany. On the bottom, got your two cutout stars there. It says Star Safety Razor, New York. No, wait, New. Okay, I can't make that. It says New. And right here, it looks like an M. And E. N. S. Y. So I don't know what that is. Anyhow, this is it. Now it loads like this. I'm using a CVS blade, carbon steel blade. Slides right in, down to the blade stops. And then there's a little spring-loaded thing on the back here. Raise that up. It shoots forward and holds the blade in place. So this is what I'm using this week. It's a really nice razor. Enjoy shaving with it. Thanks for watching.